Hi, today I'm going to prepare seared breast of chicken in light cream of mushroom sauce with potato marbles and stir-fried pork tenderloin with French beans and capsicum. Aromatics are already been pre-prepared and all the proteins are already seasoned and marinated. Now let's begin searing the breast chicken, skin in the pan first. Just give a little nice glaze color on both sides, but not to totally cook it, or perhaps just half cook the breast chicken, because later on I'm going to simmer it on light cream of mushroom sauce. See, look at that, all the nice glazed color of the breast chicken. It's still half cooked and I'm going to set aside the breast chicken, but the cooking process continues because due to its residual heat from the pan. And now let's start sauteing the aromatics. I did not notice that I did not clean the saute pan because the presence of the glaze of the chicken, all the flavors are still there. And we need to incorporate all the flavors by deglazing them, adding perhaps water or white wine or cream. I already made the cream sauce, pre-prepared it already. I wasn't able to film it while preparing. And now I'm about to add back the breast chicken and simmer it further with cream sauce, and at the same time include the pre-boiled marbled potato. I cut it into half and then simmer it for a while, perhaps like around a minute or two will do already. Then after that, set it aside and let's begin with the stir-fried pork tenderloin, some oil to grease the pan, saute the aromatics, that's purple onion and garlic, toss it for a while, and then add the garlic. Do not overcook the garlic because, although sometimes I like it a little overcooked because I like the taste of the bitterness of the garlic. And then now let's add the pre-seasoned pork tenderloin. I added dark mushroom sauce, soy sauce, Leon Purines or Worcestershire sauce, and then Knorr seasoning, and crushed peppercorn. I also added some water to give more sauce to the pork tenderloin and butter, and then simmer for a while, and added the blanched capsicum, which I sliced it into strips, and then turn the fire off and set it aside. Now let's begin plating all of these dishes that I have prepared. First, the pork tenderloin. You don't need to overcook the pork tenderloin because it might still be tender yet it's too dry already. So just cook it rightly. After pouring all the stir-fried pork tenderloin, I added some of the capsicum strips and the blanched French beans, which I pre-blanched earlier. And then that's it. That is my pork tenderloin with French beans and capsicum strips. Now let's start plating the breast chicken on light cream of mushroom sauce. I separated the marbled potato and pour all the sauce into the plastic pan, into the plastic container. And then after that, I will slice all the breast chicken and put it on top of the cream of mushroom sauce. The cream of mushroom sauce is sauteed with purple onion, chopped purple onion, chopped garlic, and added butter, cream, and then I also added some cheese, 3 different kinds of cheeses, like mozzarella, cheddar, and the burrata cheese. So the burrata cheese give a little strong flavor, hence the seasoning isn't really, I didn't added much more of the flavoring given the strong flavor of the burrata cheese. So I sliced it slanting and then added the marbled potato on the side. And then since I still have a lot of few strips of capsicum, I put it on top just to give a little color because everything was brown and that. Yes, and this is our breast chicken on light cream of mushroom sauce with boiled marbled potato. And now we have these 2 dishes plated already. Thank you for watching. Bye.